Say hi, Sienna. Can you show everybody your feeder bag? Yeah? Show everybody how you eat your pear. You gotta eat the fruit part. There you go. That tastes good? Tastes good? Is that good stuff, Sienna? Say hi. Does your thumb taste good? Yeah, your thumb tastes good too, huh? You have both of it in your mouth, huh? You can't eat that part. That part doesn't taste good. You silly girl. You silly girl. She's got the whole thing in her mouth now. Do you need help with that? Hi. Does the pear taste good? Oh. It's almost done. Turn it around. Turn it around. You want me to help you? Let me help you. This side, hon. This side. This side. Look at her. Okay, here. A little bit more in there. See you later. Say bye. Are you all mad now that I took it away? All done. All done. All done. Say hello. Hello. Give Mama a 5. Give Mama a 5. Yay! You were all mad when I took that feeder bag away, weren't you? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh, you're mad. I want that fruit back. I want that fruit back. Give me that fruit. Say hello. Hi, Sienna. Hi. 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 Hi, little monkey. Hi, little monkey. Hi. Hi, monkey. Say bye. Hi. There's your thumb again.